Hello, it's Heather Smith here, and I'm going to run you through the process of signing up for your free trial of DataDear. So DataDear sits between your online accounting solution, be it Xero or QuickBooks, and it connects you to Microsoft Excel. So this is the DataDear website, and come over here and click on the green free trial option. And you're brought to this Try DataDear page where you need to fill out your information. So you can see I filled out my information, and you have here at this drop down option you can tell when you sign up that whether you're an accounting or bookkeeping firm, a business, or you offer support to accounting firms. You can check the terms of use and privacy policy and click the box and click the green sign up button here to sign up. I've received an email to advise me to activate your DataDear account, and if I pull over you can see this is the email. Activating your DataDear account, you need to activate your account to access DataDear. You're almost there, and I'm just going to click through activate account to activate the account. It now wants me to enter a password. I've entered a password using LastPass, my password management solution, and I'm going to click Activate Your DataDear account. And here we have the DataDear screen, and this is my account, and it's saying welcome to DataDear. So you can see that was actually really quite easy to sign up to, and it's advising us that we're 3 steps away from properly using DataDear. So thank you for trying out the DataDear Excel add-on in Xero, QuickBooks Online, cloud accounting software. DataDear facilitates the business of reports. With data you can refresh directly from Xero and QBO. You can also post transactions back to Xero and QBO in bulk. So you're 3 steps away. First of all, we need to connect an organization, download and install DataDear, and we have the option to invite a user. From the DataDear home screen, I am going to attempt to connect an organization. So I'm going to come here and click on Connect an Organization, and it takes me through to this organization screen, and I'm going to click on this button, Add Organization, and select QuickBooks. And it's taken me through to the App Center, Intuit.com. I am logged in, and I'm here to authorize Intuit to securely share your data with DataDear Excel spreadsheet add-in for QuickBooks Online. And I've needed to scroll down the screen to see everything here. When you select Connect, we will grant DataDear Excel spreadsheet add-in for QuickBooks Online access to your QuickBooks Online data. This includes data about your company, customers, suppliers, employees, processing payments, and updates you may make to QuickBooks Online data after you connect. And I will come across here and click on the blue Connect button. And here it has connected to my QuickBooks file. I called it my demo file. And the next thing I need to do is download and install DataDear. So I do actually have part of it sitting on my desktop computer. At the top here, it's giving me some information about the Excel add-in. And here, if I click this button here, the download for PCs. It does have further information there if you're running a server or virtualized environment, but I'm not, so I'm just going to download now for PCs. And you can see the download is happening here on the bottom left-hand side, which is probably typical for you as well. That has now downloaded, and I'll click on it. So here is my wizard that's going to walk me through the installation. So hopefully you can see that. It's going to install DataDear Excel add-in into my computer. I'm going to click Next. I accept. I can print it off if I want. Click Next, and it's going to the destination folder. You can see here is my C drive. And I'm going to click Finish. So now what I'm going to do is open up Microsoft Excel, click on a spreadsheet, just a blank workbook here, and you can see at the top here it says DataDear. So the plugin has installed into my Microsoft Excel without me needing to do anything. However, over here I need to log in. So I actually need to log in to DataDear to access it via Microsoft Excel. So I'll click on Login and it pops up with my email and my password, and I select the Remember Me and I click Login. Now it takes a few seconds, but I now have live. You can see the menu bar, and part of the menu bar is actually live. And I have the option to log out here, select an organization, which is the demo company that you saw me connect just a few moments ago. This is not currently live. From here I can access the templates library, so let me click that and show you. This takes me back to the DataDear website, and here's the templates library. This is actually quite interesting. You have here all, I might make this window a bit smaller. I've just made that window a bit smaller so you can see all the different options there. And if I scroll down this screen, these are lots and lots of different templates that you can access, which are quite easy. Means that you can grab them and use them to assist you in auto-populating things that might be useful for you. And if necessary, they are categorized. So I'm just scrolling to the top here. They are categorized, so you can click Post. You can click, I'll untick all, that's what I'll do. See if I can unclick all. There. Reports, the ones that are relevant for Xero, the ones that are relevant for QuickBooks, ones that accountants might like, system configuration ones, and there's one there to assist you with migration. So I just click back here into Microsoft Excel. Here we haven't done anything yet, but that would allow us to view our audit trail. Here we can add new client organizations to DataDear. We can add additional users if we are going to share the solution with other users. We're still using a trial, so this would allow us to upgrade from the trial. This would take us to the DataDear web dashboard. So I think that just takes you the actual DataDear web dashboard that we were at before. I click back into Excel there. Here I have notifications. So what this is doing is taking you back into DataDear to see further information. So notifications from DataDear. Clicking back in Excel, I have the option to report a problem to DataDear, if I need to know about further information about DataDear, and if I need to access help. That's excellent. So just a very simple and quick overview of the active dashboard that you get instantly when you download DataDear. And I just got to pop back into the dashboard. Oh look, I can just do it this way. You can see I have various tabs open up across the front here, but I've popped back in and you do have the option, which I'm not going to do, but you do have the option to invite a user. So what I've done is I've logged in, registered, signed up for a trial of DataDear, and I've installed the add-in into Microsoft Excel. And you can see that was really, really easy. You can also see that I was able to add a Xero organization very, very quickly. So you can, from start to finish, you could do that probably in about 8 to 10 minutes. Thank you for watching.